Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an incredible adventure in store for you. Buckle up as we take you on an exclusive tour of the magnificent US $100 billion aircraft carriers. Get ready to witness the awe-inspiring power and cutting-edge technology that dominates the seas. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our exciting content. Now, let's begin. Introduction to U.S. aircraft carriers. The U.S. $100 billion aircraft carriers represent the pinnacle of naval engineering and military might. Learn about the incredible size, power, and capabilities of these behemoths that can house thousands of personnel, launch and recover fighter jets, and project American air power across the globe. Explore the impressive dimensions and weight, as well as the cutting-edge technologies that make these carriers the undisputed kings of the seas. Flight deck operations. Step onto the flight deck, the bustling heart of the aircraft carrier, where the magic happens. Witness the orchestrated chaos as fighter jets take off and land in a high-stakes ballet of precision and coordination. Discover the advanced catapult systems and arresting gear that enable rapid aircraft launches and recoveries. Learn about the critical roles played by the skilled deck crew, from aircraft handlers to catapult operators, in ensuring the smooth and safe operation of flight operations. Aircraft arsenal. Explore the formidable air power housed on these carriers. From fighter jets like the F/A-18 Super Hornet and the F-35 Lightning Roman II to airborne early warning aircraft like the E-2 Hawkeye, witness the impressive variety and capabilities of the aircraft in the carrier's arsenal. Learn about their advanced avionics, weapon systems, and the crucial roles they play in maintaining air superiority and protecting national interests. Nuclear propulsion. The tour of the US $100 billion aircraft carriers would also highlight their nuclear propulsion systems, which are a defining feature of these powerful vessels. These aircraft carriers are powered by nuclear reactors, which provide them with a significant advantage in terms of speed, endurance, and operational flexibility. The nuclear propulsion systems enable the carriers to operate for extended periods without refueling, allowing them to remain at sea for months at a time. The nuclear reactors on board the carriers generate heat through nuclear fission, which is then converted into steam to power the ship's turbines. This steam propels the carrier and drives the propulsion systems, enabling it to achieve high speeds and travel long distances without the need for frequent refueling stops. The use of nuclear propulsion offers several advantages over conventional propulsion systems. Firstly, it provides the carriers with immense power, allowing them to reach speeds in excess of 30 knots, around 56 kilometers per hour. This capability enables rapid deployment to various regions of the world, ensuring a quick response in times of crisis or conflict. Command and control. Gain insight into the sophisticated command and control systems that allow these carriers to function as floating command centers. Witness the coordination and integration of various combat systems, intelligence networks, and communication platforms that enable effective mission execution. Learn about the critical role of the carrier's command staff and their ability to project force, protect national interests, and maintain peace through strength. Advanced radar and sensor systems. The tour of the US $100 billion aircraft carriers would showcase their advanced radar and sensor systems, which are integral to their operational capabilities and defensive capabilities. One of the key components of these carriers' radar systems is the N/SBY-1 radar, which is a multifunction phased array radar system. It is capable of tracking and identifying a wide range of targets, including aircraft, missiles, and surface vessels, simultaneously and with high precision. The N/SBY-1 radar provides situational awareness, allowing the carrier's crew to detect and track potential threats in real time. Moreover, the carriers feature infrared sensors and electro-optical systems, such as forward-looking infrared, FLIR, cameras, which provide enhanced vision capabilities. These systems enable the carrier's crew to detect and track targets even in low visibility conditions or at night. They are particularly useful for monitoring and identifying smaller objects, such as small boats or drones, that may pose a threat to the carrier. Support and maintenance infrastructure. Behind the scenes of these impressive carriers lies a complex infrastructure dedicated to support and maintenance. Journey through the vast workshops, hangars, and repair facilities that ensure the carriers remain operational at all times. Witness the skilled technicians and engineers as they perform maintenance, repairs, and upgrades to keep these floating powerhouses in top condition. Human element, life on board. Step into the daily lives of the sailors and personnel who call these carriers home. Discover the challenges and sacrifices they face while living and working in a confined and dynamic environment. From the mess halls to the berthing compartments, gain insight into the camaraderie, discipline, and dedication that form the backbone of life on board these extraordinary vessels. Global operations and diplomacy. Gain a deeper understanding of the vital role these aircraft carriers play in global operations and diplomacy. Learn how they project power, provide humanitarian assistance, and ensure freedom of navigation in critical regions. Explore their ability to support joint military operations and serve as a visible symbol of strength and commitment to allies and adversaries alike. Future of aircraft carriers. Look ahead to the future of aircraft carriers and the evolving nature of naval warfare. Discover emerging technologies, such as unmanned systems and next-generation aircraft, that are shaping the carriers of tomorrow. Explore the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as nations strive to maintain superiority in an ever-changing geopolitical landscape. Strike capability and offensive power. Delve into the striking capabilities of these formidable aircraft carriers. Explore the diverse range of offensive weapons systems they possess, from missile launchers to advanced anti-ship and anti-aircraft systems. Witness how these carriers can project immense firepower, making them a formidable force on the battlefield and a deterrent to potential adversaries. Amphibious operations and support. Step into the realm of amphibious operations as we discover the carrier's ability to support and deploy a variety of marine forces. Learn about the integrated systems that enable the carriers to carry out humanitarian missions, conduct amphibious assaults, and provide crucial support during military operations on land. Witness the coordination between the carrier, amphibious assault ships, and ground forces, showcasing the versatility and effectiveness of these vessels. Training and readiness. The tour of the U.S. $100 billion aircraft carriers would emphasize the extensive training and readiness programs that ensure the crews are prepared for any operational scenario. The personnel serving on these carriers undergo rigorous training to develop the necessary skills and knowledge to operate in a high-pressure and complex environment. This training encompasses various aspects, including ship operations, navigation, aircraft handling, weapons systems, communications, damage control, and emergency response procedures. The crew members are trained to work as a cohesive team and to respond effectively to any situation that may arise during operations. The training programs are designed to simulate realistic scenarios, allowing the crew to practice and refine their skills in a controlled environment. These simulations include flight operations, combat exercises, search and rescue missions, and emergency drills. The crew members are trained to handle complex and demanding situations, ensuring they can operate efficiently and effectively during real-world operations. Additionally, the crews regularly engage in joint training exercises with other naval forces, including international allies, to enhance interoperability and coordination. Support vessels and carrier strike group. Take a closer look at the support vessels that accompany the aircraft carriers as part of a carrier strike group, CSG. Discover the roles of guided missile cruisers, destroyers, submarines, and logistics ships that provide protection, reconnaissance, and logistical support to the carrier. Witness the coordinated efforts of the CSG, demonstrating the integrated nature of naval operations. Legacy and historical significance. Delve into the rich history and legacy of these iconic aircraft carriers. Learn about their pivotal roles in major conflicts and operations throughout history, from World War II to present-day missions. Explore the stories of valor, resilience, and innovation associated with these carriers, showcasing their enduring significance in naval warfare and global security. And there you have it, an extended tour of the U.S. $100 billion aircraft carriers, revealing even more remarkable aspects of these naval marvels. We hope this in-depth exploration has provided you with a newfound appreciation for the immense capabilities and strategic importance of these floating fortresses. If you found this video insightful and captivating, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for future adventures into the world of military marvels. Until next time. fair winds and smooth seas.